What's up guys, Matt here, and in this video I'm going to show you this WORKPRO drill bit set. This is 120 pieces. I did receive it to do this video. Let's get it unboxed and check it out. Right out of the box has some thank you and promo cards, and then the actual 120 piece set, which does come with an included case, which is nice. On the back is a sticker that shows what type of bits and how many of each are included. To open the case, you pull the red tabs to the outside, and it does have its own foldable handle as well. First thing I noticed, dang, these look great. Second thing I noticed, there's some bits that definitely fell out of their position in transit. More on that later. All of the bits except the screwdriver bits sit flat and flush in the case. First we have our twist drill bits from size 2 1/16 all the way down to 3/8. They did include duplicates of the 3 smallest sizes, which I think is really smart since those are very commonly used and can break easier. Then we have our 88 screwdriver bits, and they are all 1 inch long. And these include the bit styles of slotted, Phillips, star, posy, and hex. And once again, they did include many duplicates for the very commonly used bits. All of these screwdriver bits are also engraved with what type they are on the sides as well. Then we have our 15 2-inch screwdriver bits on the left here. You can see there's 14 and then the 15th one on top, and they're engraved as well. Also included is 5 different sizes of nut drivers, and these are sized from 1/4 inch all the way up to 1/2 inch. Then we have our 2 1/4 inch magnetic bit holder. This is really nice that it's magnetic, so screws can stick to whatever bit you are using. And as you can see, it even has a nice strong hold on the bits themselves. That's everything included. The last thing I wanted to do was test kind of a shake test to make sure these bits actually stay where they should be. So this first test, I shook it without the plastic in there that came along with the kit. And sure enough, there were 4 different bits in this first shake test that did fall out of their positions, which is just kind of annoying. So I decided to put the plastic cover back on that was included with it. And this made the difference. After a firm shake of this and kind of treating it like this case maybe rustled around a vehicle in transit, having that plastic cover in there really did the trick. It's only the screwdriver bits that would fall out too, so if that part of the case was a little bit tighter and held the bits more snug, it wouldn't be a problem. But as long as you know what you're getting into, and if you use this plastic cover, I had no issues at all. Overall, I think this is a great set of bits to have on hand, and the case is pretty good. So hopefully this helps show you what to expect with this 120 piece WORKPRO drilling and driving bit set. Thanks for watching.